Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. JT here again. I thought I would shoot a short video about some of the models I have. Start off with my Johann stuff. Now most of these kits I built, probably 25-30 years ago. And they've been in storage for a long time. I used to have them on display in my garage on a shelf when I was married, but when I moved, I had no place to put them. So, first of all, this is my Johann, sorry for the squeak, Oldsmobile Cutlass. I don't remember even what color I painted this. It was a nice kit. I have them all wired onto these bases so they won't roll around, but that one is, I like this color green. So, I don't know how well this camera's going to pick up stuff, but it came out nice. All these models were before I knew how to use a airbrush. They're all rattle canned. This is another Johann kit that I have. It's a DeSoto Adventurer. I painted this, if I remember correctly, this is Model Master Champagne Gold Metallic. I love this color. I think I found the pictures of the interior of Adventurer in a magazine. There used to be a magazine, I don't know if it's still around, called Classic Cars. It was a real nice glossy magazine, had a lot of older cars in it. I love this kit. I know Kim over at Kim's Custom Garage has got one of these kits, and I would love to get another one of these because I love this car. I think it looks very cool. I think it's the epitome of the 50s style. So, you can see the interior a little bit. So nice. Another Chrysler. It's a 68 or 69 300. I love cars with hidden headlights. I think they look so nice. I think this is another Model Master color. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've built any of these. But what I loved about Johann was Johann just made the oddest kits, because not many companies would come out with a big car like this. I mean, besides an Impala or a Galaxy or something, these were really, really awesome cars. There's the back of it. Maybe you can see the interior. I don't remember what color this is either. I just thought it was a nice color. We have a nice 60, get the box, 62 Toyota Fury. See, still have the original box. So I've got nothing to put it in. I don't have a case for it, but it looks nice. A little dirty, a little scratched, because like I said, it's been in storage for a long time. Oh, the paint's kind of, this car is like old models that I built. Like it though. Another car, I'd probably buy another one if I could find it. See, at the time I didn't know about doing bodywork, so the dimples are still in it. But now that I know, now that I've learned a few things, I'm going to look forward to applying those skills. Another one of my favorite cars. Another great old Johann kit. You can see what color the body was. I think that's what color it was. Was this god awful like baby scotch, and rattle canned it. Painted all the trim by hand. Didn't know anything about bare metal foil back then, so all the trim is hand painted. Oh, and then you can see right there, if you look at it, oh, I don't know if you can see it. From the right angle, you can see you can see a bit of the butterscotch at the base of the windshield. And I didn't know. Let me get the hood open. Try this here. Didn't know what color. I just knew that Hemi orange was the color for the engine, so I didn't. There was no internet back then. Oh, the engine was. There was no internet back then. It was just, you know, what I knew about cars from you know. I think the engines in these are what, gold or something. I can't remember. You know, no. I said back when I built these, there was no such thing as Facebook or Google or the internet or anything like that. Other Johann kits is this baby right here, and I don't think I painted it. I think it was, that's basically the color of the plastic with dry transfers and a coat of clear, I believe. But yeah, I don't know where the air cleaner is. But anyway, I built this a long time ago. It's a nice kit. Again, the simple Johann chassis, and it's okay. Maybe a little too dark a blue for Petty, but you said I don't think I painted it. I just put it together. Then I have this, and I did not paint this either. This is the color the plastic came in. The good old, oop, can't see the box. The good old Corvette 429 Coupe. I think if I built this again, I would definitely paint it. I mean, it's a nice car, but I've learned, you know, I don't trust the color of the plastic anymore. It's not too bad. But I'm surprised a lot of these cars have survived being, you know, moved around a half dozen times, been in boxes, been bounced around. But they've made it so far. Didn't realize I'm missing a wheel. So there is my 59 El Camino. Pardon, it's a little handicapped because it's missing a back wheel, but I love 59 Impalas and 59 El Caminos. I have an Impala, 59 Impala kit somewhere. I think it's a Japanese model originally, but I tried to do this like Indian turquoise and white with a gray interior. The poor wheel's falling off. Fortunately, it's in the box, but I love the color combination of this car. I think it used to be a Corvette color or something. I don't know. other kits I built. This one also not painted is the Anniversary Edition Corvette. That is the color of the plastic with the decals applied. It's got a clear coat on it. The clear coat has turned a little on the yellowy side. I have a lot of kits that's happened to. I have a 58 Impala it used to be white and now it's basically yellow, a cream color. But it's a nice little car. Painted. I think I painted the interior. But I remember when these were new back in the day. I love this generation of Corvette too. But, it's old Snap Type monogram kit. And then we get into, I have my Corvair. This is one of the Prestige Series kits. Another rattle can. I don't even remember what color it is. I like the color though. I'm going to find out. But you got a little, oops, before you can see it. It's a little dark. I don't have enough light in here. I'm doing this in my kitchen because that's where all my cars are right now residing. But it's a nice kit. I bought another one because I want to redo it again because I want to try and do it a little bit better this next time. And I like this generation of Corvair anyway. And then I have a couple of 1/32 scale models. I have this Revell 57 Ford. The pink is the plastic, and I masked it off and painted it black with a spray can. I'm not crazy about the custom wheels that have them. It's actually nice. Looks nice to see. There's the original color. This is from being aged and whatever. But you know, it's a nice little car. You know, it's very simple snap kit. And this is one of my other favorite models. This is a Guns Sangyo kit. Same kit that made BG's little Fiat. This is a Firebird, or Thunderbird, I'm sorry. Not painted, that's the color of the plastic. I painted the interior. You can tell that what I painted because these were white, the interior was white or creamy color, and the body is kind of, if you look at it right, it is translucent. You can see through the plastic. That's a nice little kit. I love this body style Thunderbird too. So. All right, last couple of models. This is one of my favorite kits. Everybody will recognize this bad boy. I love this kit, the 66 Nova Pro Street. I have another one of these, but I'm using it for parts. I just love this car. It just looks so badass. I just think this is such a cool car. I have the kit I'm going to use for parts because I'm going to build eventually a Pro Street 67 Impala, and I'm using this hood scoop and the back part of the 67 Chevelle Pro Street kit, and I'm going to build me a nice Pro Street eventually, someday soon. But this is one of my favorite kits. This is one of my favorite kits. I love that car so much. And now we will get to the one kit, very rare kit, that I've ever built twice. I built, I built this car as a result of this. Oops. Which is the very first model, that I ever modified. I built the blue one first. It took me forever to build because I was constantly, I'd get frustrated, throw it in the box. I'd never chopped the top before. It was frustration after frustration, and I would work on it for a little while, get frustrated, throw it back in the box. And eventually I got it finished. And a friend of mine said, now you need to go get another one and build it completely stock. So this one has got, oopsies, a flathead V8 in it. I'll have to glue that back on. Little tiny parts. That was the cream colored one is bone stock. This one, I don't know if it has. I don't remember even what kind of engine it has in it. I think it came with some other V8. Oh wow! Some of these kits I haven't touched in years. I want to spend some time working on them because they're falling apart and what have you. But sorry about that. That's some of them. I have a lot more. As you can see, I got the Volkswagen. I got a couple of cars here and there's some over there. I got a couple more Johan. I got a Johan Lark, Studebaker Lark, AMT 64, Impala SS, the Galaxy 7 liter. The poor things are all falling apart, and I have some other kits that are in boxes, but I even still have some unfinished kits. I have an S15 Silvia, an R34 V-Spec that's not done. I started it and never finished. I have an Impala SS 96, the snap kit, Revell snap kit that's not finished. I have a Golf GTI that's not finished. It's painted, but the paint came out crappy. It needs to be sanded and whatever. So that is it. So I hope you enjoyed a little bit of some of the stuff I built, because I actually do have built model cars. And, you know, a lot of people might not think I have, but yeah, I have. Just a slow process. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you later.